hands here something that not a lot of people have got a chance to hold, feel, or understand how it works. But a whiskey thief, also called a Malinch. This particular one is made from copper with what looks like some brass fittings at the top and the bottom. Essentially a hollow tube with a handle. A hole at the top allows you to put your thumb over to stop the flow of air or liquid and kind of control it. The hole at the bottom is designed for picking it up. So when we insert this at a set length that will go deep into the barrel, you can pick up liquid and then hold it in there by putting your thumb over the top. At the point that I let go of the top, you can release the flow of the liquid and kind of control it from pouring into glasses.
Randall doesn't mind too much because he likes to lick his fingers, so and that we'll take that off and we'll test it for the proof strength.
We're back in the lab. We now take our hip flask sized samples that we've taken from the barrel, and now we're going to analyze the contents for proof gallon strength.
So what we're doing now is testing the proof using this Anton bar machine. So what this machine is going to do is take a little vial here with the whiskey sample, put it inside, and you wait for your density temperature to hit a temperature around 20.05, and then we start with the machine. This already in here is barrel 17 that you guys selected of our 51 rye. So once we take that sample and hit start, it's going to give you a density reading, specific gravity for your proof. And what we really want is this number right here, our proof. So once we have our proof, we can determine how many proof gallons to add to our blend and give you the final blend for our product.
And you're recording it here on this pad to try and keep the 4 different barrels straight. Typically, if you're just doing a single barrel, it would just be what it was at.
One reading, absolutely. So we're ready to go here. Our density is low enough. It's pretty clear in the system. Just take our syringe, give it a little bit of a sample. And here you see a little bit of a sight glass, sort of. And you want to make sure there's no air bubbles in, because that'll affect any proof or numbers we get. It's good to go. And now we wait till our density temperature reaches our level we want to see, which is around 20.05. And once this condition changes to predetermined or valid.
If you're ever wondering why the reason for anything exists, it's probably because there are taxes behind it. So all this stuff is heavily regulated and monitored, mostly because it's revenue going directly into the coffers or the bank, the government. And so they demand accuracy, penalties and problems if you screw up. But with automation, you're finding a lot less of this than, let's say, 100 years ago, when people were rolling out a barrel into the back of their car, taking it home. It's much more computerized now.
Right. Yeah, you have to measure in proof gallons, because if you do just volume, you can have a 750 milliliter at a low proof. You can't pay the same tax as something at higher proof, it's something with more water. So you measure in proof gallons. So
there are no loopholes for you to not pay your tax.
Exactly.
So while they're away, we're going to take another sample.